Okay, here we have the 2004 Dodge Ram 2500. This truck came to us with about 225,000 miles. Right now, you would never know it. It came in for just a color change. This is a local company's truck that they use for doing service work. That's why the bed, there's no bed on it. The truck came in, like I said, for a color change, and we found out that there was a lot more underneath what they had painted at the bottom. The truck needed new cab corners, needed outer and inner brace, and even an inner rocker put in it. It was pretty rusted. We did a color matched bed liner. The bed liner material was Raptor. Did it on the inside too, and also on the inside of the door. That way it's protected. It also received two new OEM doors. The bottoms of them were pretty rusted. Trying to fix them and get them to actually last was just it probably wouldn't work. So the customer opted to get brand new OEM doors. The fenders were in good shape. There was just a little bit of surface rust down at the bottom that we cleaned up and put a rust inhibiting primer on it. The paint we used was Stanco AG 900 single stage. This is a bright white, and then we put 4100 clear over top of it. Received a light wet sand. We started with they're not paying for a show finish where you're starting with 6 or 800 grit, making it look like a piece of glass. So we also just restored the headlights, and we did was stuff them down and clear them. That cleaned them up a lot better than what they did look. All the trim pieces received Cerakote trim renew, which we really like this stuff. It really works. It lasts. It's a very easy product to use, and it's really not that expensive. The chassis was just a little rusted. It wasn't too bad. The undercoating we use is from Undercoating in a Can. We use their fluid coat up into the cavities. It's coming out right there. We really soaked the door, both doors. That way, same thing doesn't happen to it. So, even inside the frame, since it's a box frame, we spray the fluid coat up inside, so it's rot from the inside out. This truck will get yearly checkups just to make sure that it's not getting worse. So if you have any questions about what we did, just let us know. And we also repainted the fender flares on it. If you have any questions about what we did, or if you have a truck that needs similar work done, just give us a call or send us a message. We're getting more into what I want to call is late model restoration. These trucks still get parts for them, which is good, and they're a lot cheaper than buying a new one. So if you have any questions, just give us a call or send